have a plan for you. We've talked about this many times. That's what happens when you see something that's not on the plan for today, but you're going to do it later. It's a way to relieve the anxiety that you might be building up over all the things in your home that are out of place. I see you and I have a plan for you. My question is, what's the plan? You can't just say, I see you and I have a plan for you and expect it to magically disappear one day. You've got to put it in your planning book. So as you know, I love my Erin Condren planner. You can use whatever kind of planner you want, or calendar, or combination thereof. But the trick is you have to say, well, that's in the living room. That's that box of pictures that have been bugging me. I'm going to be doing the living room next, whatever, week after next, okay? Because we're in zone 2 as I'm recording this, so it'd be 2 weeks after next. So you'd go on your calendar and you'd say, okay, that's going to be the week of the 27th. So I'm going to put it on as one of the things to do in that zone when I'm in there. And I'm going to take care of the box in the corner. Okay, so that's what you do when you say, I see you and I have a plan for you. Now, your whole house may be in tumult and you can't say, I got to plan all this stuff. You can't. You just have to say, I see you and I have a plan for you. And when I get to this room, I'm going to actually figure out when I'm going to do the work for you. Okay, so sometimes you have to say that, because if every single room is overwhelming and you're actually in the process of decluttering and not putting away yet, then you're going to have to just say, I see you and I have a plan for you. And my plan is when I work in that room on Friday the 27th or whatever it is, I'm going to decide when I can handle you, because I'm going to see how much I have to do in that room. And I'm going to work for 15 minutes in there and see how I progress in those 15 minutes. I just want you to know that there is a plan. And I want you to know that it's better when there is a plan, because then when you get to zone 5, the living room, and you have a box of pictures in the living room, and you've said, I see you and I have a plan for you, you really have a plan, right? So if you have the room decluttered except for that box, and that's what's bugging you, now you can go work on that box. Or if it's something that just needs to be put away and you're waiting for the closet to get cleared out because that's where you want to keep that sorted box of pictures that you've already gotten done, then work on the closet so that subsequently the box can go in the closet like you planned. Okay? Don't just shove boxes in your closet because you won't be fixing anything. We want to actually heal your house, right? So we're going to actually work on these things before we put them away. So if it's a box of pictures and it hasn't been sorted through, then that's what you're going to do. And maybe it's going to take you a whole week just to sort through that box 15 minutes at a time, and that's okay. Because eventually this living room will be clean and you'll be able to actually clear of clutter, rather, and you'll be actually able to deep clean things in the room, but not until the clutter is gone, okay? All right, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you are using that tool, I see you and I have a plan for you, because it's a great tool. I just want you to complete the process by planning it. Have a wonderful day. Always remember, patrons, that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.